3 quick tips for internalising a folk tune. Number 1, use your ears. So Google a tune, let's say Rochdale Coconut Dance. And just listen to as many variations as you possibly can. That's really good for picking up different ornamentation, that sort of thing. Tip number 2 is to sing along to the tune while you're strumming or doing something else. So la ba da ba dum ba da ba da ba dum ba da ba ba dum ba da ba da ba dum. What that's really good for is making sure you never get lost. So sometimes your fingers are getting lost and then you're going, where's the tune? If you know how to sing the tune in your head while doing something else, then you'll always know where you are and you'll never get lost. And then tip number 3 is to sing the tune while you're playing it. This is really good for when you want to improvise around the tune. So if you can play what you are singing, you can just make anything up as you go along. As long as you can hear it in your head and you can play it with your fingers, then you'll have a great time. So there's my 3 quick tips. Thank you.